this video, I'm going to demonstrate estimating revenue. We have a company that sells desk lamps, and in particular, one model, they sold 120,000 units at $45 each. That would have been a total revenue, if we multiply that out, of $5.4 million. We have a number of changes we're expecting, and ultimately we're asked to figure out, what's the forecasted revenue for the upcoming year. But let's start to factor in these changes. This past year, when we sold 120,000 units, it was 24% of the market. The market in the upcoming year is expected to increase by 8%, but because there's extra competition, their market share is going to drop from 24% to 20%. So let's focus on the number of units so far. First thing, let's figure out what the total market size was this past year. If we take the 120,000 units sold last year divided by the share of market, 24% or 0.24, we get market size last year was 500,000 lamps. We do expect that the change in the future, in fact, increase by 8%. So if I simply take the 500,000 lamps times 108%, or if you want to multiply 500,000 lamps times 8% plus 500 lamps, that's fine. We get 540,000 lamps in total is expected market size in the upcoming year. Now let's figure out how many they're going to sell. 540,000 lamps times the market size dropping down to 20% equals 108,000 lamps. So we definitely have a drop here. Previously sold 120,000, it's dropping down to 108,000. We also need to factor in the selling price. It was $45 per unit last year. It is increasing due to changes in production and competitive models to 48. Is that going to compensate an increased price for that drop in units? Let's see. 108,000 lamps at $48 each means revenue is decreasing from last year of $5.4 million to this year of $5,184,000.